This is some freeze-dried Fat Boy ice cream sandwiches that I have freeze-dried. I had the settings at 7 hours freeze and 4.5 hours dry. You may think 4.5 is not long enough, but it definitely is when you cut the sandwiches into 6 pieces. I take my chopper knife that is a chop and scoop Miracle Blade, and I just lay it on the sandwich. Now this sandwich is not quite soft enough to be real easy. I like to have them sit out for a few minutes so that I can cut them a little bit easier, but you get the idea. And then I cut it across the other direction so that I end up with 9 pieces. I won't finish that just for the sake of time. But they turn out really well at 4.5 hours. I did a batch just before this one that was 5 hours dry, and with the Fat Boys it's a tad too long. The ice cream kind of melted, and actually I had sat those sandwiches up on their cookie part like this, and when I did that the little sections sort of melted and leaned over and they were all stuck together, so it works out better to cut them and lay them in pieces with the ice cream side touching your silicone mat. And the other day I was doing some pumpkin pie mix in the mold. These ran in the same batch as the ice cream sandwiches, and because the mold is an inch thick, the very center of them did not get dry. You can see the darker color, and this is what I've talked about before. When you see a darker color on the center of your food, that's going to mean that it is not dry. And let me just crumble that up. This is some little flowers that I made using a pastry bag with a tip. Just squirted them out onto the tray. Just thought I'd show you that. So, you might want to use a mold like this, silicone mold, to form any of your soft foods, be it applesauce, yogurt, ice cream, pumpkin pie mix, or what have you. And the Fat Boys turned out great. I have done Klondike ice cream sandwiches as well, which actually I find the taste better after it's freeze-dried. But everybody has their own idea of that. So try it. You might like it. I have a Facebook page called Harvest Right Freeze Dryers. Come check us out. The link will be in the description box. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.